Hi, my name is Usman and you are watching QTech's Android development course. So in our series of image processing in Android, today we will continue our lecture number 2nd in which we saw how to open camera and get the image into the image view. So the issue was the quality of the image. So in this lecture we will see how we can improve the quality of the image and how we can load images from gallery also. So let's go to the Android Studio. So let's continue our lecture number 2. In our last lecture we have seen that how we can get the runtime environment for access of camera and to write anything in the storage. After that we have seen how we can open the camera intent and get the image into the image view. But we have noticed that when we are using getting the image from the extras, the quality of the image was not good. Like we get any image from the camera intent, so we can see that the image quality is not that good. It is because when we get the image from the extras, we can only get image of 100 kb because we are not basically getting the image, we are getting the thumbnail of the image. So because of the size problem, we cannot get the high quality images from this method. So no need to worry, I will tell you how can we get the image in the high quality. So first of all I will tell you what we will do for getting the high quality, then we will code it. So basic idea is that we can just save the image into the gallery and then we can get the image URI and set the image to the image view. So let's begin and let me tell you how we can do it. So in this method that we created, we were creating the camera intent and then we are just running that for opening camera after checking the permissions. So let's I will override this function, or I will create new function with the same name, but we will change it to version 2. So we will just copy paste this because first of all we will just do the same thing. So here we can get values is equal to content values. Okay, so why I am getting this, because we want to set the description and title of the image. So in this we can put the values dot put media store, yeah, dot images title, yeah. So here we can set any title for the image. Let's set it for new image, one of values dot put. So same we will set the description also. Media dot description, yeah. So here we can set any description from the cam series. So after doing this, we need the URI of the image. We will insert first of all the image into the media store, our gallery, and we can get the URI of the image. For that, let me create a variable to store that image URI. We can just null here. So after that, in creating that variable, we can just come to our function here, and we can just do image URI. Yeah, this variable is equal to content resolver dot insert media store dot images dot media dot external content URI, and we can pass the values, these values in here. After that, we just creating this, and let's set the extra. So we will send the URI in extras now rather than sending the thumbnail of the image. So here we can pass this image URI. So now the URI will be passed in the extras, and we can get this URI and set the image view. So for now our work is done. Let's send this request for some other request code so it will not be duplicated. So here we are setting it and sending the request. uh, Here we can just send the message if the camera does not open for any reason. Or store and show dot show. So if camera does not open, so we will get a toast message. So here now we will go to our activity for result method here, and here we can get the request code. So now we will just set the image view. So this image view is global, so I can access it directly here. So we can set the URI here directly. We don't need to get it from the extra. So here we will have to tell that null. So now we are ready to go. Let's check the app and run it again and check if we can get the good value. But before getting this, we have to change here to camera to where we are running the camera. So we just replace this function with this new function. So by this we will get the high quality images. So let's run the app and check if we can get the good quality. So it may take a little time. So let's install our app again. So let's see. Now if we take the image, the same image will be with the same result in the image view. In the image view we can see this. So the result is not reduced by this method and we get the good result image. So we can perform some image processing things on this image easily with the good results. So one thing more, we can get the image from gallery. So getting image from gallery will also be loaded in high quality as the same quality as the image will have. So let's see how we can get the image from the gallery into the image view. So it is just easy. We can just create a gallery intent and get the image from there. So let me put it to try catch. I will practice because sometimes if there will be errors, so we can capture the error. Action, where it is, let me see. I think it's action p, yeah, media store, images dot media dot external URI. So we can start the activity for result with my intent. So here we can put the request code. Let's we pass any code here. So I have told you we can set any code here. First of all, I have set these here, but I have created the variable. You can directly pass some value here and get from in the activity for result with the same code. So if any problem comes, we can just send a message to the user cannot open gallery. So our function is right now we will go into the result and here is our code is 500. So here we can say if request code is equal to 500. So when the request code will be the 500, uh, we will open the gallery will be opened, and when the image is coming from the gallery, we will get it inside our uh, image view. So let's get the image URI is equal to data. So in this data will be the we will receive the URI, so we can and get it into a bitmap, or we can get directly set this URI to the image view. It's totally our choice. So I will also tell you how we can get the bitmap from when we are getting the image from the gallery, because when we will be working on the image processing, we will like to have the bitmap too, because we can perform some actions on the bitmap. So first of all, let's just set the image view, set image URI to image URI. So we need to tell that it may have a null value. So the image view will be set. Let's check it first, and then I will tell you how we can get the bitmap also. So the app is installed, but we didn't set. Yeah, we have set it. So we can get any image from here. Yeah, so it is in the image view. I thought I didn't set it here, but it is. I have already set it. So it is working very properly. So let me tell you about how we can get the bitmap also from the image that we are getting from the gallery. So let's go back into our uh, so to get the bitmap, we can just simply write make a bitmap variable here. So my bitmap, so we can write media store dot images dot media dot get bitmap method, and this will require content resolver, and we will send the image URI of which we want the bitmap. So by just simply using this method, we can get the bitmap, but you see this method is deprecated, so we can only use this method will only work if the SDK version is less than 28. So we can add the condition here. So when the build version of SDK will be less than version dot SDK in is less than 28, so we can get the bitmap by this method, else we can create a source. So basically whenever you are coding, so try to make uh, consider all the SDK versions, because it is a good practice. So this app will, whenever you will using this thing, it will work on all the SDK versions. Here source this dot content resolver. This is the way to get the bitmap in the upper SDK variants. So we can just now write image decoder dot decode bitmap source. So now we can get it. So here it is telling us also that it call requires level 28. So currently my version I have selected is 21, so I can just click add request, so it will be okay. So here we should, because we are in Kotlin, so it will work like this in Kotlin, and we can just remove this. Oh, so here it is. So now it is perfectly okay. So I have told you so here we have an error, so because this may have a null value, so in Kotlin we do need to tell if it can have a null value or not. The best thing in Kotlin is this, that we can handle the null pointer exception that we cannot handle in Java. So this is the edge of code using Kotlin language on Java. So you see, we can get the bitmap also when we will be working with the image processing. So we will use this bitmap for different operation, drawing things and everything. We will talk about this in the next video. So thank you for watching.